Hi guys, this is Celia. In first, thank you again for support me. It's very important for me. Don't forget to like and comment this video if you like, and also don't forget to follow me and you will not miss my next video. Also, you can follow me on my social media. You can see my link in my description. So for today, we will cook a simple meal, pasta again, because we love pasta. Pasta with salmon, and I will add my French touch. It's very fast and easy, you will see. For this meal, you need sorrel, yes. If you don't have, because it's possible, you can use spinach, okay? So you need this. It's for 2 persons, like usually. Cream, shallot, okay, shallot, salmon, pasta, of course, and white wine. I think it's white wine in English. Just wine. It's for the sauce. That's my French touch. You will see it's very good. Let's go. We will make the salmon. So you need the air fryer. If you don't have, you cook in the oven, okay? So you clean the salmon, okay? And you add just 1 spoon of olive oil. Okay. And you cook this for 15 minutes. At 160 degrees. I don't know if you use degrees in America or other country, but for me I use Celsius degrees. I will cut the shallot. So we cut the shallot. And I will cook now. Okay, so I will you can add the pasta. Sorry, Italian people, I cut my pasta. Okay. And now we will cut. So I finished to cut the sorrel. I check the time for the pasta. Okay, I have 10 minutes. So we will add the wine. Impossible to open this. Okay. So I have 100, so I will use 50. And I will add the cream. And I mix. And you can add the sorrel. Spinach, they have a lot of water, you see. And now we wait that the pasta and the salmon finish, and it's good. Salmon are ready. And I will add the sauce and of course the cheese.